welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying a load of prom dresses from Pretty Little Thing, and all of these dresses, they're under £40 and they're not classed as prom dresses on Pretty Little Thing, but they're all long evening dresses that can double as prom dresses, so I hope you guys find this useful. I also would just like to add that today's video has been sponsored by ITALO jewelry. I'm probably saying that wrong, it's this company here. So prom, you're gonna want fancy jewelry, so ITALO, I'm trying to pronounce it again. This company does really nice jewelry that will go beautiful with evening dresses. So I'll show it to you here. This is one of their bracelets. So it's really sparkly and just really pretty. So I think it's really classy and elegant jewelry that it can kind of make the outfit if you keep it simple. And then they also sent me a necklace, and they come in these really pretty boxes. So I'll link these all down below so you guys can check them out if you're interested. And they're really precious stones set in silver, I believe. But the stones, they're lab grown, so they're a lot cheaper than the real thing. So if you wanted something fancy, check these out. So I'll put these on with the outfit so you can see them sparkling if you're interested. So thank you very much to ITALO, I don't know how to pronounce it, for sponsoring this video and sending me these. I really love them. And I'll link them all down below so you guys can check them out if you're interested, along with all the dresses. So that being said, let's jump to the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw the first dress on and we'll talk about it with it on, because I did get, I think there's 9 or 10 dresses, so this video is going to go on for ages if I talk about the dresses and try them on, so we're going to try and do it all in one. So I'm just going to throw the first one on, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is dress number 1, and it is definitely a statement piece. So this one is £40, so this is one of the more pricier ones. First thing I would say about this dress is length. So I'm 5'5" and I'm currently in extremely high heels and it's touching the floor. So if you're a tall girl, this is a perfect option for you. If you're more like petite or small, be wary getting this dress, that you might need to tailor it in order to walk. But it's got a beautiful slit down one side, so with like a nice sassy tan, it'll look really nice and it will show off your shoes, which is always a positive. So really like that. I would size down just in general with this dress. I'm wearing a size 8, but I would say it could be a better fit around the waist. It's not going to fall down, but it could, like, it feels a little bit loose. So I would go for a size 6 in this if you're normally a size 8, or just size 1 down on this one. Because it's made out of this like scuba material. So I don't know if it comes across on camera, but it's a really thick sort of like wetsuit material. But it's nice because it kind of stays structured, so you get like a really puffy skirt. So this is definitely a picturesque prom dress. Like if you want to be the center of attention and look amazing in all the pictures, this is definitely an option. Not that any of you are not going to look amazing, but you know what I mean. And it's white as well, which is always just a statement, isn't it? So no, I like this one, but the fit is a bit too long for me and I would size down, or get yourself a really nice sparkly belt. That could really look nice, you know, like a really embellished sort of like waistband. That could look amazing with it, because it's just a very easy to wear dress and it's not expensive, which is amazing. So this is the pricier Pretty Little Thing option, but I'm feeling it. I like it. For £40, it looks pretty damn good, I think. So yeah, this is option number 1. But this is the next dress. It's also a white gown. This one's a bit more sexier, I'd say, than the first one. And obviously you've got this lovely slit going on here, which makes it a bit easier to move around in, because this one is also quite long, but because of the slit, it's just a bit easier, and it's got all this frill going on, which is very cute. Only thing I would say about this one is it's a little bit on the sheer side, so you're going to have to be really smart with your underwear choices. Because it's white, I would say nude underneath, and just get good underwear, and then it's not a problem, it won't show at all if you get like seam-free underwear. I think it's a really elegant neckline. I really like this sort of one shoulder look. It's quite conservative if you don't want to have your chest out. I'm not sure what's going on here, so we've got like some little stitching going on. Not entirely sure, but get yourself a nice belt. Again, you can hide that, so you can jazz up these dresses. These are just a really cheap option to get a baseline prom dress, which I think is really nice to know for some people. This is obviously very figure hugging, so if you wanted more of a like sexier prom dress, this is the one for you. It's definitely, it shows off a figure and it shows off a leg, so, and white. If you get a nice tan, you'll look amazing. So this one is, how much was this one? I've got to remember all the names of them now. I'm not going to be able to read the tag. So, So this one's £25. So for £25, you have a pretty statement dress, I think. Accessorize it nicely, put a belt with it, you'll look absolutely fine. Just keep in mind that it is a little on the sheer side, so you've got to be a bit smart with underwear. But I mean, it fits nice nonetheless. I'm wearing a size 8. Definitely an option. So that's this one. But this is the next one, and to be honest, guys, I actually love this one. I really like it. Length is brilliant, so with a pair of heels, I'm not going to fall over at all. It's not going to catch underneath my shoes or drag on the floor. You got one heck of a slit here. I'm not sure if schools nowadays have dress codes. If they do, this one might be a problem, but it's just a leg slit, but I don't know what the guidelines are. But this is a gorgeous dress. I mean, it shows off a figure, that's for sure. I mean, if you want to get noticed, red is definitely the answer, and add some feathers, you are there. It's kind of like, it's like a Jessica Rabbit type vibe, and this one's reduced at the moment to £19. So if you want this dress, just get it. Like, don't even wear it to prom, wear it like just around the house. I love this one. Oh, it's such a sassy dress. No, I love it. I was a bit worried this one was going to look tacky, and I'm sure some of you will think it does look tacky, but I mean, if you wear it with confidence, you rock it. I love it. No, I actually love this one. You guys can tell me what you think, but this is a killer dress, and get it while you can, because it's obviously in the reduced section, so if you like it, pick it up. Oh, it's so sassy. No, I love it. And the feathers, I think they're a really nice extra, because you don't actually see any cleavage, because it's just like quabam, but it like works. I don't know, let me know what you think, but I think someone could rock this to prom. I certainly would have. This is the next gown, and to be honest, I'm loving this one. This one is a mermaid piece, but the length is perfect for me with a pair of heels. So if you're 5'5" and you want to wear heels, this is an option, or if you're taller and you want to wear flats, perfect as well. I love the colour of it. It's emerald green velvet. Like, does it get any sassier than that? And it's a square neckline, which means it's quite a modest neckline, but also kind of sexy, without showing too much. But because it's a mermaid dress, you got the figure shown off like that. So no, I really like the fit of this dress. Really stretchy, so you can dance and boogie in it with no problem. No, I love this one. And this one is only £25. So it's a really good price for a really nice dress, I think. So I really like this one. Really like the length of it, very comfortable to wear. Obviously it's got straps, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just a really nice option, I think. So, no, chuffed with this one. I love the colour of it as well, like it catches the light. So you'll look really sassy in this one, so no, love this one. So this is how the next one fits, and I am loving it. So I thought I would stick with the green theme, but this one isn't velvet. So this one is a bit sexier because you have got an entire leg out, but it is such a lovely fit. It's got a beautiful sweetheart neckline, which is really flattering, I think, and it really hugs the figure, this one. So if you got it and want to flaunt it, this is a perfect option for that. And it just fits really nice. So this is a size 8 and it's not going to fall down at all. I really like the fit of the top. Only thing I would say, it's a little bit on the long side. So if you look, I'm wearing my heels, but it does touch the floor. But because you've got such a leg out, it's a little bit easier to work with. But to be honest with long dresses, sometimes you just have to hold them up. But this is a stunning dress. I actually am in love with the colour of it. Like if you've got ginger hair or like a reddish sort of colour in your hair, whew, you'll just look insane in this. It definitely hugs the curves nice as well. So no, I'm feeling this one. I really like this one. It is a high slit. I don't know about modern day dress codes for proms. I'm pretty sure my prom didn't have a dress code, but I might be mistaken. But I love this one. And to be honest, I don't know what the dress code would be, but like it's just a slit. Maybe slits are included, but whew, no, I love this one. And it's £28, so just an absolute bargain, really, isn't it? And it's a stunning looking dress. Like, you could really dress this up and look $1 million. So no, I'm really pleased with this. This is the next dress, and it's lovely, but a little bit too sexy, I think. This panel here, like, they just keep going up. So if you walk too fast or there's a nice breeze, you might flash a bit more than you probably intended to. So it's not a problem. If you like this dress, literally just put a stitch. So just do a nice little stitch on these two panels here, and then it can't open up any more than that, just to keep yourself a bit safer, because I'm having to hold it because it just wants to like swing open. But it's a beautiful dress. It is all black velvet, which is stunning. The neckline is stunning. It's a bit of a plunging V, but it's kind of classy still. I really like it. With the right necklace, like the one I'm wearing, it's kind of a nice statement, I think. So no, I really like this one. Might work best with a belt as well, like a kind of a belt to break it up, but it works as it is. And it's kind of like a flowy skirt, which is lovely. So no, I really like this one. And price-wise, I think this one was £28. So I mean, to £28 for this dress, and then to like alter it slightly or jazz it up a little bit, I mean, you can do prom on a budget and still look amazing, I think. So no, I really like this one. I love how sleek it is, and black velvet, there's just something about it. I love velvet. So no, I really like this one. So yeah, that's this one. But this is how this one fits, and to be honest guys, this is my favourite dress out of all of them, I think. There's just something so easy to wear about it, and it's so classy, and it's only £25, but it looks amazing. It's not see-through at all. I love this one shoulder design. It's kind of very asymmetrical and very fashionable, so no, I'm feeling that. And I love sort of like the rigidness of the top of it. Like, it's not rigid at all in material, but I like the lines. No, I really like this dress, and I am a few years past prom age, but I would wear this now. I would have worn it at prom, and I would have worn it now. So I really like this one. And to be honest, if you're not someone who likes leg slits, this is a lovely option because it shows off your figure at the front, but you can still move in it absolutely fine because you've got that slit at the back. So that makes quite the difference, I think, but it just fits so nice. It's so easy to wear. I really like this one. I know it's black, and I think some people don't like wearing black to prom, but I really like the fit of this one. So this is a lovely, safe option. It's very classy, very form-fitting, nice and stretchy, so you can boogie in it. I just love it. So no, I really like this one. The final dress, I thought we'd go out with a bang, and I got this beautiful sequin number. So if you like to dance, I would definitely say something like this is the way to go, because look at it sparkle. Like, I actually love it. So it's got all these like sequin tassels all over it. Let me check the price on this one. Nothing exceeded 40, but yeah, this one was 40 like the first dress. So this is the top of the range Pretty Little Thing dress. So if you've got £40 to spend, I definitely think this is a statement. All I would say, doing up the back of it is a little bit of a nightmare because of all the sequins. They kind of get into the zip, but just be patient with it. It does do up. So yeah, you got to be careful with the zip on this one, but it is absolutely fine. It's just a little bit temperamental. And then length of it, longer, like it does touch the floor, but again, because of the slit, as long as you're careful moving, it's fine. Or, you know, just don't wear stilettos, wear like block heels, and then it's not as bad. So no, I really like the fit of this one. It's really figure hugging, and the slit doesn't start till like just above your knee, which is really safe. So no, I mean, it's very va-va-boom. I really like this one. You just kind of, you're a disco ball in the corner, but it's very classy, but very sexy. No, I like this one. And I mean, the back of this dress is just stunning. It's kind of like a low back, but that doesn't mean you can't wear a bra with it. If you like the sort of low back look, you just need to get like a bra extender where you put it on the ends of your normal bra and it actually wraps around your waist. I did do a video on bra hacks, so maybe I'll link that down below so you guys can have a look, because if you're a bit conscious and you want to wear bras under these dresses, it's not a problem if it's backless. There's ways around that. Or if it's a deep V, there's ways around that as well. So no, I actually love this dress so much. So yeah, this is the last dress. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. All the dresses will be linked down below along with my sizing and any tips I have when buying them, whether it's a size down or up, that type of thing. So check out that if you liked any of them. I'll also link the jewelry, so if you're unsure what to wear with the dresses, ITALO is really nice for that sort of really classy special jewelry, which doesn't break the bank. Obviously it is nice stuff, so it is a little bit pricey, but it's stuff that will last you a lifetime, so it's really nice in that respect. So if you're interested, that'll all be linked down below as well. So thank you to ITALO for sponsoring this video. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Let me know what you thought of the dresses, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.